One of the questions I have for you, it's probably a twofold question. One is because the consumer space itself is too big in India. Roughly 65% of India's GDP is consumption, which is different from China and US. China is only 40% and US is probably in the similar range. So it's very attractive for founders to think about building in consumer sector. Now there are two ways. You start with a niche and then you can expand. And second is you can have these large categories, for example, in let's say dry fruit or even something simple as atta. We don't have many brands except Ashirwad, or in dry fruits, probably 5 years ago, I didn't know any brand which existed in dry fruits, right? So, how should founders think about identifying those TGs, niche, and building to a bigger scale, or then starting in a bigger category and then identifying your own sweet spot, right? They can do either way, and nothing is right or wrong in these two categories.
So I think, if you ask me personally, both categories are great. It depends on, as a founder, where do you want to take that first step. Getting into a cluttered category where there are large sharks sitting in, you need a lot of investments, a lot of time. The TG is defined there. In a niche category, the advantage is where I truly feel founders should look at that side of the picture more is the sharks don't want to enter a niche category until they see 1,000 crore view for that market, right? Protein was such market until last year when larger brands have started to come in, or for that matter in the groceries you see large players have been coming in or doing acquisition, right? So both are great. It depends on where the founder wants to take the plunge. Also depends on where the founder is more passionate about, right? And it boils down to TGs, because a niche category may have a very refined TG, but in a large category the TG is slightly more fragmented, where the TG understands what product they are buying. There are larger brands there, they've established the sentiments with the consumers. Hence building brands in a small niche category, and then slowly when the trust is built, moving to a larger category generally make more sense for the founders.